Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by building a minimal HTML file and adding the meta viewport so layouts scale on phones. Use semantic header, main, footer now. Link a CSS file and a JS module. Start mobile first with base styles and max width constraints. Set box sizing to border box and a responsive root font size so rems scale predictably. Once done, create a simple header and flexible content container. These first actions let you see changes immediately on small screens and make scaling logical. You now implement responsive layout tools. Use Flexbox for nav and linear flows and CSS Grid for multi-column content where alignment matters. Define breakpoints using min-width and avoid device-specific numbers. Think content first. Combine container queries or clamp. For typography scaling, use rems and %widths rather than fixed px values. Make images and media flexible with max width, 100% and height, auto, and optionally add src set for density-aware loading. Once these patterns are in place, the page adapts smoothly across sizes. You finish by progressively enhancing interactivity. Load critical CSS first, defer non-essential JS, and feature detect APIs before use. Improve accessibility. Ensure touch targets are large, elements focusable, and content readable at 1.2 line height. Test under slow networks and various orientations. Optimize images and lazy load off-screen media. If layout breaks, inspect computed styles, check container widths, and toggle media queries in DevTools. Make sure to validate the fix across devices so the responsive behavior is reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.